Okay guys, today at Deep South we're going to be planting pineapples. We're going to get these out of my house and go plant them outside for the summer. These are the asparagus that we put on the hugel bed 2 years ago. Danny planted these from seed and brought them out here and planted them once they come up. And look at the crowns, if you want to call it that. Perfect, beautiful 2-year-old crowns. I'm moving them to the other place down here, but between the pineapples. But look at the crowns. That's what you would buy in the store minus the green stuff. 2-year-old crowns. And next year we will have lots of asparagus from that.
That's awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Awesome.
Okay, so the crowns, you want to dig a hole far enough that you can get it in and spread out the roots and put it down in there. And if this breaks off, it'll come out again. That's just one of the things. But we're going to have asparagus all along the bed now from seeds that Danny planted. And I'm going to put a video in the link where he planted the seeds. And it took us 2 years to get this plant to grow. And that's a long root, so and everywhere this root goes out and I cover it, there'll probably be more crowns come up eventually.
Woohoo!
We are out here today planting our pineapples. We have saved the best for last. This particular pineapple here is a pineapple plant that was born and bred here at Deep South Homestead. We took a plant probably 4 years ago, put it in the ground, grew this plant. It actually grew us a nice pineapple. We harvested the pineapple, and guys, it was so good. It was like a taste of heaven. The pineapples in the store did not even come close to comparing to this particular pineapple. And not because we raised it, but because it was raised here at our place. There were no chemicals used on it. It was done all naturally. It was just a fantastic pineapple to eat. And we actually saved the top off of it. So this right here is the first generation pineapple from Deep South Homestead that was left over. Now this has been in the greenhouse all winter, trying to get established so that we can bring it out now that the frost is past and put it in the ground. And guys, we are so hoping from this particular pineapple here that we are able to raise our own breed of pineapples here at Deep South Homestead, because we are in the Deep South. We're gonna use oh yeah, it's gonna come up. Okay. I don't want to disturb any of the roots. I want to make sure I get it in the ground just like it was. I want to be able to put some good topsoil around it, because guys, this is what it's all about right here. It's about creating our own strain of fruits and vegetables here at Deep South Homestead. We have a very diverse bunch of stuff growing here. Some of it tropical, some of it subtropical. We're trying to actually acclimate these things to our climate and make them work. And there we have it. We have our first homebred pineapple here at Deep South Homestead.
Woot woot.
Thank you from Deep South Homestead.